To print shipping labels on Shopify, start by navigating to the Orders section of your Shopify dashboard. From there, click on the order for which you want to create a shipping label. In the Order Details page, click on the More Actions drop-down and select Create Shipping Label. If you have not set up a shipping carrier yet, you will need to do so before proceeding. To set up a shipping carrier, go to the Settings section of your Shopify dashboard. Then click on Shipping. Click on Add Shipping Carrier and follow the prompts to set up your carrier of choice. Once you have set up your shipping carrier, you can create a shipping label for your order. Shopify will automatically calculate the shipping cost based on the package details and the destination. You can adjust the package details as needed to ensure accurate shipping costs. When you are ready, click Buy Shipping Label to purchase the label. The shipping label will be generated and you can print it out. Make sure to use a printer that is compatible with the label size you have selected. It is also a good idea to test your printer and labels before printing a large number of shipping labels to ensure that they are printing correctly. Best practices for printing shipping labels on Shopify include making sure to use the correct label size and type for your packages, and to test your printer and labels regularly. Additionally, consider using a thermal label printer, which can help streamline your shipping process and reduce errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily print shipping labels on Shopify and streamline your shipping process. This will help you to save time and improve the overall customer experience.